This is Amigurumi Alphabet Challenge letter A. Pictures with ideas. I like the angel, avocado and apple. This time I will crochet an avocado. I will use a free pattern that I found on the internet. This pattern designed by Repeat Crafter Me. All the information you can find in the description box. Are you ready to crochet an avocado with me? I couldn't find the right green yarn, so I chose to crochet my avocado using blue yarn. Let's start. 2 parts of avocado body. Starting with magic ring, chain 2 and 12 double crochet to the magic ring. For this part of body I'm using Bernard Baby Velvet. The name of this beautiful color is Bleached Aqua and I'm using 4mm crochet hook. I finish this round with join to first double crochet and chain 2. Round 2. 2 double crochet in each stitch around. 2 chains is counting like a first double crochet. When I'm using double crochet it's bigger so fast. Now it's 24 double crochet around. For starting round 3, chain 2 and crochet 2 double crochet in first stitch and double crochet in next stitch. Repeat around. The same way like in previous rounds, we count the chain like a first double crochet. After finished round 3, we should have 36 double crochet. Round 4, we starting with the 1 chain. Single crochet to the first stitch. Half double crochet in next 6 stitches. And we finish this round with 1 single crochet. Chain 1 and turn. Row 5 we starting single crochet decrease. Half double crochet in next 4 stitches. Finish this row with single crochet decrease. I like the way it's turned out, but using this pattern next time I would change the double crochet to the half double crochet, just because I don't like using double crochet in crocheting doll. Row number 6 we are starting with chain 1 and turn and single crochet in each stitch across the row, chain 1 and turn. Row number 7, single crochet decrease, single crochet in next 2 stitches, and single crochet decrease, chain 1 and turn. Row number 8, make 2 single crochet decrease. So this is decrease and 1 more decrease. I don't really like how the part look like now. I wish it was flatter. Now I realize I don't finish this pattern. I should have added an extra round single crochet around edge of entire piece. Now I have to crochet using the same pattern another piece with blue yarn. Oh this time I didn't forget to crochet single crochet around all the way part. So I started with the corner and I crochet to the corner 2 single crochet. I really happy because it's done. So we need to edit the first part to the second part. Now without stuffing it's look really flat, but I hope it would be fine. Now we are place both body pieces together and single crochet the edges together. I really like how it looks from the light blue side. I haven't finished connecting these two parts. Surprisingly, I realized I needed to crochet an avocado seed. To make this small piece, I chose to use very beautiful pink color. But going ahead and not boring you, I will say that I was not able to crochet this piece according to the pattern from the blog. I don't know what exactly I did wrong, but the part looked very awkward. So let's try another way. Magic ring, chain 2 and make 4 half double crochet and 5 single crochet in ring. Finish this round by connecting the end and beginning of the round. And now I really like how the part look like. But I decided to add one more round, single crochet round. For my opinion, now it looks really cute. This part about sewing. Do you like this part? When it comes time to add eyes, this is always a difficult choice for me. I really like to add some cheeks because it looks really cute. Now don't forget to add some stuffing. It's time to finish the assembly and to add a little more stuffing. Almost, and hooray! We are finished and we are done. Oops, no, I decided to crochet another round, single crochet round. Well, now we are definitely done. I really like him. He's so cute, he's so adorable. I really like the combination of these colors. Like. And what do you think about this perfect guy? I hope that you crocheted with me, that everything worked out for you, and I really hope to see you in the next video. I know you can see that guy has arms, but I can't find a video where I embroidered them. So sorry. I'm planning to crochet the next toy starting with the letter B. If you have any ideas, please leave me a comment. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. I forgot to introduce myself. My name is Lily and I really like to crochet amigurumi.